Hello everyone! Today we are going to explain how to pay for the meal at the school cafeteria. In total, there are 3 methods of payment.
First, you can buy a ticket at the kiosk. Second, you can purchase a ticket at the cashier booth. Third, you can pay for the meal at the serving corner.
The first method is purchasing a ticket at the kiosk, but you can pay only by card. There are 2 types of ticket, for SNU members and non-members. The main difference between 2 tickets is a meal price. If you're an SNU member, you can get a 1,001 discount.
First, click the blue button.
Then tag your S card. There will appear meal options. Choose your meal option by clicking on it. Then click on the card payment button. Now you can insert your card to pay. There will appear a message asking, would you like to get a receipt? If you need a receipt, click yeah. Then the machine will print out the ticket. Take the ticket and go to the serving corner based on your meal option. Scan the barcode before you get a delicious meal. If you're not an SNU member, click a non-SNU member button and the process will be the same, but you won't get a 1,001 discount.
Let's move on to our second method. You can purchase a ticket at the cashier booth. You can just tell the cashier the menu you prefer and you can pay either by credit card or cash. Then you can just go to the serving corner and scan the barcode and you can take your meal. If you need more detailed explanation, you can check out a video about 1001 meal on SNU OI YouTube channel. The link will be in the description box below. Last but not least, our third method is paying for the meal right at the serving corner. You can pay only by a card, and your card has to have a pay on function, which is a deferred transportation fare payment function. If you have this card, you can go to the serving corner and take your card at the card reader, and after you hear a doo-doo-doo sound, you can take your meal. But if you want to get a 1,001 discount, you have to register your card first. You can register your card by asking the cashier or by using the card registration machine near the booth. Then the rest of the process will be the same. You can just go to the serving corner and take your card and you can take discounted meal.
Click like and subscribe to the SNU OA YouTube channel if this video was helpful. See you in the next video. Bye!